Hi guys. I just wanted to share a post or a video that my brother wanted me to share. So it's just a little clip of this, like, we were at the park and like we were having a picnic because it was Labor Day and we were just kind of celebrating, the end of summer. And so we saw this like little bird, and like I don't know what it was, what kind of bird it was, but it was like a crane or something, like one of those tall birds that stand on the water. You couldn't really tell because it was really far away, so you couldn't really tell what it was, but it was a bigger bird than regular size, and it was like a crane or something. So we got a recording of that, and I just wanted to post that on here because yeah. It's like I don't have that much stuff to post on here. Like, I don't have that much that I want to, like, I am kind of, like I said, I am boring. Like, my life's kind of boring. I don't have that much stuff to post. But this is something I thought you guys might like, and it's mainly because my brother wanted me to post it. Tito wanted me to post it, so yeah, I'm posting it because of that. And I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just a little short clip, and also I just wanted to remind you guys to please subscribe, please like, please watch my videos, please like, please subscribe, please comment. Thank you so much for everything, for all the support from everyone, and I appreciate everything. Thank you, and enjoy the video.
It flew away!
Oh no, are you recording it?
Yeah.
Come back! Is that the sound it's making?
I don't know.
Come back! Oh, wait, it's flying back around. Oh look, now it's near that thing. I think it's gonna fly away again. Did it go near it again? This is amazing.
Flew away.